Many try to do away with the very clear teachings of the Bible, describing them as part of a law which has been replaced. Today we'll look at a passage some try to use to indicate that faith is something separate from God's law. Let's examine the question, does the faith of Abraham require the law? If you have a Bible with you, please turn to the 3rd chapter of Galatians, a book many believe to put an end to the law of God. Galatians 3, beginning in verse 5. Therefore, he who supplies the Spirit to you and works miracles among you, does he do it by the work of the law or by the hearing of faith? Just as Abraham believed God and it was accounted to him for righteousness. Therefore know that only those who are of faith are sons of Abraham. Does this mean that all we need to do is believe God? James, another apostle, certainly had a different opinion when he wrote his famous epistle. James 2 and verse 14. What does it profit, my brethren, if someone says he has faith but does not have works? Can faith save him? Thus also faith by itself, if it does not have works, is dead. But someone will say, you have faith and I have works. Show me your faith without your works, and I will show you my faith by my works. You believe there is one God, you do well. Even the demons believe and tremble. If belief is all that is required, then demons are to be commended. True belief in God means understanding that the laws He has given to us are right and just, that they are created for our benefit. Paul tells us we should have the same type of faith that Abraham did. In verses 7 and 8, he quotes from Genesis that those who are of faith are sons of Abraham, and that all nations would be blessed through him. Let's read the original statement in Genesis to see the type of faith that Abraham had, the same type of faith that Paul is extolling the virtues of. Genesis 26 and verse 4. In your seed all the nations of the earth shall be blessed, because Abraham obeyed my voice and kept my charge, my commandments, my statutes, and my laws. We don't show faith by throwing away the laws of our Creator. Paul is commending readers of Galatians to show their faith in God the same way Abraham did, by keeping God's commandments, His holy law.